Welcome to Sparks Toyota.
Here we have a 2016 GMC Sierra 2500 HD Denali. It has a clean Carfax and comes with power folding heated mirrors with signals, step rails, privacy glass, and much more. 20-inch chrome cast wheels, all-terrain tires, HID projector beam headlamps, halogen fog lights, recovery hooks, and a strong 8-cylinder 4-wheel drive with only 5,667 miles. Power sliding rear window, the bed cover, tow package, a remote locking tailgate with assist, and a comfortable back seat with cup holders. We can't forget about the power sunroof, the front row power heated and cooled leather seats with driver memory, cruise, dual zone auto climate, power adjustable pedals, a garage door opener, wireless charging, a heated leather steering wheel with convenience controls, the multimedia and navigation touchscreen with a CD player, Bluetooth and voice activation, and a backup camera to make backing up a breeze.
Please let us know if you have any questions, and thank you for watching.